Okay, in this video we're gonna be cleaning up this Excel file, and as you can see we have about 10,000 records. This file is pretty much shows all delinquent property taxes in Cook County. So what I'm gonna need from you here, the first step is that you will have to copy paste this information into a new sheet, which you should rename clean data. So you copy paste everything here on another sheet. I'm gonna do it here for you. I'm gonna name it clean data. Now, the second step here would be it's gonna be you have to the purpose of cleaning up this file is to narrow down our list, and you're gonna take a look here at column C, which has a PIN number, and each PIN number is associated with a property in Cook County. Now, this information is old, and I'm gonna need you to remove all the old information, which might be properties that essentially have already paid their property taxes. So this information will be in another file, and you will pull this information from this weekly updated file that the county provides me. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna copy paste these PIN numbers, and these are essentially PIN numbers of the properties that we should remove. So once you copy paste it, and you probably know a better way to do this. I'm just giving you an example. The point is you're going to be removing all the duplicates here. So this didn't paste correctly, but I want you to paste it here. And if one of the PIN numbers from the other file it's matching one of the PIN numbers up here, you're gonna have to delete both of them, because the other file is essentially telling us that the person who was behind on taxes has already paid them up and has already paid them. So we don't want people who has already paid their taxes. We want only information of people who are behind on taxes. So again, you will compare these PIN numbers to the ones that you will be copy pasting here, and then if there are any PIN numbers, which there will be, you should be removing them from here. So, and that's the first step, or the second step. Now the next step, you have to go to column G. And what am I looking for here? I want to make sure that all these names are correct. And what I'm trying to say here is every name here is a personal name, and I don't want to find company names. So for example, this is clearly a company, and I want companies to be removed. I'm looking for names like Joseph, Miguel, David. These are real names. Now for names that are incomplete, I want you to highlight them in yellow. This is very clear that it's missing the first name. So every name that is incomplete, like R. Harper, I'm gonna want you to highlight that. And you can tell right here that these names are incomplete. The ones starting with just A. It's very clear here. We don't have a first name. So you're gonna highlight that in yellow and delete the ones that are company names, which should be very clear as well. Okay. So now once you're done doing that, you're gonna go to column H. Now any incomplete address that you might know, there shouldn't be many, but if there are any weird addresses, I mean, all of these make sense. If there's a blank, there's something that doesn't seem to be correct, like an incorrect address, you can just remove it. But it doesn't seem to be the case, quite frankly. So, and there shouldn't be many or any at all. So now once you're done checking that, you're not gonna go to column K, and this is the zip code. Now for the zip code, I only care about the first 5 digits. I don't care about the whole zip code number. So we are only, I need you to put it in another column, and it's gonna be 60647 because those are the first 5 digits. The rest of them don't really matter. And that's gonna be for all of this. So there should be, I'm assuming there should be a formula for doing that. And once you're done doing that, and by the way, wherever you find 0 or something that it doesn't make sense, just make sure to I mean that shouldn't be the case, but just make sure that the first 5 digits are in there in another column. Okay, so now once you're done with the zip codes, you're gonna go over column L, M, N, and O. So I want you to combine these 4 columns. Essentially, I want you to add another column, and I want you to add this, and there shouldn't be any gaps. So for example, you can do this column like this, and then this is just a formula, then this. So I should have added street as well, but there shouldn't be like more than one space between 429 and the W. So this one is fine, but I was having trouble last time because for some reason after I added street it wasn't working. Okay, so yeah, I just want all of this together, and there should be only one gap between each one of this, okay? And it should be in this column right here. So once you're done doing that, you will go to column S. This is for the property zip code, and same concept. You're going to be adding another column, and you will only make sure you will only add this first 5 digits. So it will be only 60654 in another column right here, because I don't care about the other digits. Okay, so it's gonna be only 5 of them right here. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole explanation. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, okay? Thanks.